What if I told you that right now, software is negotiating deals, writing emails, and generating income completely without any human touching a keyboard? Not in the future. Right now, in 2025, AI agents have crossed a threshold. They don't just answer questions, they take action. This video is your playbook. The AI agents market is projected to hit $52 billion by 2030. That is a 46% compound annual growth rate. This industry isn't walking, it's sprinting. Businesses desperately need AI agents, but most owners have no idea how to build them. That gap between what they need and what they can do is where your income lives. A chatbot response. An AI agent is proactive. It has a goal, tools, memory, and takes sequential actions to achieve that goal without you. Method 1. The AI automation agency. You identify a painful manual process, build an agent to automate it, and charge a setup fee plus a monthly retainer. Method 2. Productized services. Build one standardized AI agent, like a review responder or social media manager, and sell it to hundreds of clients on subscription. Method 3. Micro-SaaS. Wrapped in a simple interface, these agents solve specific high-pain problems autonomously. This is building an asset with real equity value. Method 4 is specialized freelancing. Method 5 is education, teaching others how to navigate this gap through courses and communities. Finally, Method 6, voice AI agents. These handle phone calls, qualifies leads, and book appointments, saving businesses 80% compared to human call centers. To build these, you need a stack. Start with no-code tools like N8N or Make.com and scale into frameworks like Crew AI and LangGraph for complex systems. Don't be general. Pick a niche. Real estate, healthcare, or legal firms have specific expensive manual bottlenecks that agents solve perfectly. In 30 days, you can go from zero to your first client, learn the tools, build a demo, validate the pain, and close the deal. Outcome over technicals. 2 golden rules for pricing. Price on value, not hours, and always present 3 options. Most buyers will choose the middle, most profitable tier. The opportunity is real. The tools are available. The only thing between you and your first AI agent income is starting. So start today.